Hi, so you may have heard that Windows 7 is ending support on the 14th of January 2020. But what does this mean to you? In short, your machine will continue to function, but you won't receive any more Windows updates, which means your computer security will quickly become outdated, leaving your design data exposed to threats such as viruses and ransomware. To stay safe, we have to recommend you update to Windows 10. But how will this affect your SolidWorks? Well, SolidWorks has been supported to run on Windows 10 since SolidWorks 2015 Service Pack 5. If you're running an older version, then it's definitely time for you to consider an upgrade. If you have an active SolidWorks subscription, you can download the latest versions direct from the SolidWorks website. If not, then please get in touch to discuss the options available to you. Microsoft Windows 10 is intended to be the last version of Windows, though every 6 months Microsoft plans to release a major update. Every SolidWorks version has a support lifecycle that typically ends 2 years after its original release. During this time, SolidWorks will release updates and hotfixes to ensure that SolidWorks can function correctly with the latest versions of Windows. There is a chance, however, that one of the major updates to Windows 10 will negatively affect SolidWorks, and for older versions of SolidWorks that are outside of their support lifecycle, such as SolidWorks 2017, there will not be any updates to fix this. Ultimately, for security and smooth performance, it's best to stay up to date. If you have any questions about the technical nature of performing an update, then we suggest you get in touch with our support team. One major consideration is what version of SolidWorks is being used throughout your business and your supply chain. Collaboration is most efficient when everyone runs the same version, as native SolidWorks files cannot be opened in a previous version. We realise that this deadline from Microsoft may seem like bad news, but upgrading actually brings plenty of benefits. Aside from the security and new features in Windows 10, there have also been hundreds of great enhancements to SolidWorks in recent years. Check out our What's New pages for more details on the highlights. Since 2015, we've also seen the introduction of entire new SolidWorks packages, including SolidWorks Visualize, SolidWorks CAM, and SolidWorks PCB. Finally, if you're considering upgrading your hardware at the same time to get the best performance out of SolidWorks, we have some great offers available on Dell hardware that are guaranteed to perform well. So if you have any questions, you're looking to learn more, or you want to discuss your options, then please get in touch using the details on screen.